Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to turn off the pointer location, or you can check this screen problem here. And if I do like this also, it used to be draw. Suppose I move on setting and here it used to be draw, right, like this. See, you can check it here, it has been draw round here and there. And this red color also, if you want to remove this one from the screen, or this one also, if you want to remove it from the screen, you can follow my steps first. And friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll down to additional setting. You just move to additional setting. After that, from here again you have to scroll down to developer option. If you don't find the developer option, you can check it my videos that I have been finished to upload the videos how to turn on developer option. Okay, you can check from my videos. Okay, then click on the developer options. Then from here you have to scroll down to input. Okay, you just scroll and you are going to find the input. Okay, keep scrolling unless you don't find the input. Here is the input. So if you want to turn off the timing, the red color, everything, okay. And this drawing one also, see, when I do round, you can see this one, it used to be like so dirty, right? So if you want to remove this one from the screen, you want to hear everything, just off this one, and it will be removed from the screen. Okay, you can check it, no mark, no red color, no timing, anything, it has been removed, right? So you can remove it like this. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.